Hi students, today we are going to study the topic subtraction of like fraction. In previous class we already learned how to find out the addition of like fraction. Here we are using only the subtraction of numerators together and we are taking the denominator remain the same number. So let us begin our class. Our heading is subtraction of like fraction. Our first question, 12 by 24 minus 12 by 24 minus 10 by 24. Then the same way we are using the addition of like fraction, we are considering only the numerator. So here we are taking only the numerator. Our numerators are 12 and 10. So first we are subtracting 12 and 10. Then our denominator remain the same number, not using the denominator as 24 minus 24 because this is a like fraction. So we are taking the denominator as the same number, that is we are writing the denominator only one time. So our denominator is 24. Then 12 minus 10 equal 2 by 24. Okay, we are subtracting only the numerator together and the denominator remain the same number. So our problem is 12 by 24 minus 10 by 24. Here our numerators are 12 and 10. Then 12 minus 10 by 24. Then 12 minus 10 equal 2. Our denominator is 24. So our answer is 2 by 24. Then one more example. 32 by 49 minus 10 by 49. So we are subtracting the like fraction. Our numerators are 32 and 10. So we are taking the subtraction of the numerators together. That means our numerators are 32 and 10. Then 32 minus 10. And taking the denominator remain the same number. So we are writing our denominator as 49. So 32 minus 10. 3 minus 1 as 2. Then 22 minus 49. So 32 minus 49. 32 by 49 minus 10 by 49 as 32 minus 10 by 49. So our answer is 22 by 49. In that cases we are using the same method of addition problem. We are taking only the numerator. Here we are taking the numerators 32 and 10. Both these numbers are subtracting and our denominator remain the same. That means we are writing the denominator only one time. So our answer is 22 by 49. Okay. Then our next section is word problems. All of you take page number 80, exercise 1.6. Our first problem, Guinea gathered 6 by 10 of the chilies in her garden on Monday. She gathered 2 by 10 of chilies on Tuesday. Totally what fraction of chilies has she gathered? On Monday, he gathered the chilies as 6 by 10. On next day, she gathered the chilies as 2 by 10. We want to find out its total. Total means we are adding both the fractions. So first day, the number of chilies on Monday as, the fraction of chilies on Monday as, fraction of chilies on Monday as 6 by 10 and on next day, that is on Tuesday, as 2 by 10. Therefore, we want to find out its total fraction of chilies on both days. So, we want to find out its total. That means 6 by 10 plus 2 by 10. We are adding only numerator. So, our numerators are 6 and 2. 6 plus 2 divided by Then our denominator is remain the same number. So we want to write the denominator as only one time. So 6 plus 2 equal 8, 8 by 10. So the total fraction of chili is as 8 by 10. Then Guinea gathered the fraction of chilies on Monday as 6 by 10, on Tuesday as 2 by 10. We want to find out its total fraction of chilies on both days. So that means we are adding both the numbers 6 by 10 plus 2 by 10. We are already studying how to find out the like fraction of addition. So we are adding only the numerator together. Here our numerators are 6 and 2. Then 6 plus 2 divided by, we are adding the denominator only one time, not adding denominator as 2 times 10 plus 10. We are adding only the denominator as one time. So 6 plus 2 divided by 10, 6 plus 2 as 8, 8 by 10. So the total fraction of chilies on both days as 8 by 10. Okay, then our second problem. Sabby watched 1 by 4 of a movie on Saturday and 2 by 4 of the same movie on Sunday. Totally, what fraction of movie has she watched? What fraction remains to be watched? In this problem, Sabby watched a movie. First day, that means Saturday, she watching the movie as 1 by 4. 1 by 4 part of a movie. Then on next day, that means Sunday, she watching the film as 2 by 4 part. Then total, what fraction of movie has she watched? First, we are find out the total number. Then next, we find out what fraction remains to be watched. That means the whole portion, whole fraction minus she watching, the fraction of she watching the movie. Okay, first we are find out the total number of watching, total fraction of watching movie. So second problem, fraction of movies, fraction of movie watching on Saturday as watching on Saturday as 1 by 4. Then next day, that means watching the same movie on Sunday as 2 by 4. Then we want to find out its total fraction of movie watched on both these days. That means 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. We are adding only the numerator. That means 1 plus 2 by 4. Then 1 plus 2 equal 3 by 4. So, she watching the fraction of movie on both days as 3 by 4. Next, one more question in that problem. What fraction remaining that movie? So first we are find out the total numbers. She watching on Saturday as 1 by 4 and Sunday as 2 by 4. So she watching the total movie as 3 by 4 part. Then we want to the remaining movie she was watching. The remaining movie she will be watching the next day as the whole part. Whole part means that full portion. That means the full portion means 4 by 4. That means the 1. 4 by 4 equal 1. Then 4 by 4 minus the total fraction of she was watching, that is 3 by 4. So 4 by 4 minus 3 by 4. 4 minus 3 by 4 equal 1 by 4. So she watching the remaining movie. She will watch the remaining movie as 1 by 4 part. So I hope all of you understood today's class. Then children, bye. Thank you.